There's something deeply satisfying about brewing your own coffee, especially when you're using a French press. For coffee enthusiasts, it's not just about the drink itself, but also the experience. This Stansport French Coffee Press 278 offers this experience, whether you're at home, camping, or enjoying the great outdoors. With its simple yet effective design, this 800 ml coffee press delivers rich, full-bodied coffee no matter where you are. If you're someone who loves a strong brew, appreciates durability, and wants a hassle-free coffee-making experience, then the Stansport French Coffee Press could be the ideal addition to your coffee routine. Why choose the Stansport French Coffee Press? The beauty of the French press lies in its simplicity. Just add coffee grounds, hot water, steep, press, and pour. The Stansport French Coffee Press takes this simplicity and pairs it with sturdy construction, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're in the comfort of your home or miles away in the wilderness, this coffee press promises the same level of performance and taste. With an 800 ml capacity, it's large enough to serve multiple cups, making it perfect for solo adventures or small group gatherings. One of the standout features of the Stansport French Coffee Press is its extra-strong Tritan carafe. Tritan is a highly durable, BPA-free material that resists cracks, dents, and scratches. It's also resistant to odors and stains, so your coffee will always taste fresh even after repeated use. Tritan is often used in high-end outdoor gear due to its ability to withstand rough conditions, making this press an excellent companion for camping trips, hiking, or any outdoor adventures. Your health matters, especially when it comes to what you consume. The Stansport French Coffee Press is BPA-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals seep into your brew. When you're making coffee with hot water, the last thing you want is the risk of chemicals leaching into your cup. The BPA-free design of this coffee press provides peace of mind, allowing you to fully enjoy your coffee experience without any health concerns. One of the greatest benefits of the Stansport French Coffee Press is its versatility. Its design is rugged enough to take on camping trips, but stylish and functional enough for everyday home use. Whether you're brewing your morning coffee before a hike or enjoying a peaceful cup at your kitchen table, this French press works seamlessly in any environment. The sleek black exterior also adds a touch of elegance to your coffee-making routine, whether you're at home or outdoors. With an 800 ml 27-oz capacity, this French press is perfect for brewing several cups of coffee at once. Whether you're making coffee for yourself or sharing it with friends or family, this larger capacity ensures that no one is left out. For campers, this is particularly handy. You can brew a fresh batch of coffee to fuel your day without having to constantly make more. For home use, it's perfect for serving coffee during breakfast or after dinner when you have guests. The process of brewing with the Stansport French Coffee Press is incredibly easy, making it ideal for both coffee novices and seasoned brewers. Simply add your coffee grounds, pour in hot water, let it steep for a few minutes, press the plunger down, and enjoy. There's no need for electricity, pods, or complicated gadgets. The simplicity of the French press method brings out the rich, natural flavors of coffee, and with this coffee press, you can enjoy that authentic taste anywhere. What makes the Stansport French Coffee Press stand out? When looking at the multitude of French presses on the market, what makes the Stansport model unique? It all boils down to its functionality and design. Made from Tritan and BPA-free materials, it's designed to be tough yet lightweight, perfect for taking on outdoor adventures. But don't let its durability fool you. It's just as at home on your kitchen countertop. Here are some reasons to consider the Stansport French Coffee Press. 1. Durable Tritan carafe. Built to last, this carafe can handle the ruggedness of outdoor use while maintaining its sleek look for home brewing. 2. BPA-free materials. Safety is key, and with the BPA-free design, you can rest assured that your coffee is pure and chemical-free. 3. 800 ml capacity, perfect for larger brews, whether you're solo or sharing. 4. Versatility, ideal for both home and outdoor use. It's your go-to press wherever you are. 5. Simplicity. The French press method is easy, straightforward, and doesn't require any special equipment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.